Hi, in this video we're going to have a look at some equations with brackets. So whenever you have an equation with brackets, you need to expand the brackets. And here we're going to just expand these brackets. This isn't an equation because there's no equal sign here, but this is just the rule for expanding brackets. So remember, we go a times b, which is ab, and then what is a times positive c? It's ac plus ac. So everything inside the brackets has to be multiplied by this term out the front. So that's the basic rule for expanding. So let's highlight that. Let's actually have a look at some questions, some equations now. Solve 3 bracket a plus 7 equals 6. So first step, let's go and expand the brackets. 3 times a is 3a. What is 3 times positive 7? That's positive 21. This equals 6 because we're just putting the 6 and carrying it underneath there. Now, this just looks like a normal two-step equation. So let's go and move this 21 to the other side. We write down what we don't move first. I'm not moving 3a. I'm not moving the 6. What's the opposite of plus 21? It's minus 21. So we have 3a, 6 minus 21 is negative 15. This is 3 times a equals negative 15. So now we can move the 3 underneath, and I on purposely draw the arrow underneath the 15 to remind me to put it underneath, because the opposite of times is a division. So a will equal negative 15 divided by 3, negative 5. And again, this is an equation. This is our answer. You can go and stick it back up in here and check what is negative 5 plus 7. Well, negative 5 plus 7 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And what's on this side? It's a 6. So we've done that correctly. Let's have a look at this one over here. There are 2 sets of brackets on either side of the equation. So let's still do the same thing and go and expand. 9 times m is 9m. 9 times negative 5 is negative 45. Put your equal sign underneath. 7 times m is 7m, and 7 times positive 1 is plus 7. Now this is an equation with variables on both sides. So let's move the 7m over here. And we're also going to move the minus 45 over there. So we write down what we don't move. I'm not moving the 9m. What's the opposite of positive 7m? It's negative 7m. Put your equal sign. I've got a 7 there. What's the opposite of negative 45? Plus 45. 9m minus 7m is 2m. 7 plus 45 is 52. This is the same as 2 times. So we can put it underneath. M equals 52 divided by 2. M equals 26. And you can also go and put M in. I'll just highlight. M equals 26. Go and put 26 here and here and see if both sides are equal. So 9 times, in bracket, 26 minus 5. And then does that equal 7 times, in bracket, 26 plus 1? Yes, it does. They both sides equal 189. So that is correct. Let's have a look at one more example. Here's the last question. We have 5 minus 3 in bracket x minus 4 equals 20. So we know that we have to expand this. First of all, we can take this 5 to the other side. So we'll have negative 3 x minus 4 equals 20. What's the opposite of plus 5? It's minus 5. So minus 3 bracket x minus 4 equals 15. Okay, this minus 5, some people don't do that first and they expand. If you do that, I think about imagine there being a no minus 5 there, and just expand it, because this 5, positive 5, has no impact when you expand this. So let's keep going. Now I'm going to expand. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. And minus 3 times minus 4, two negatives together become plus 12. So just because there's a negative here doesn't mean this is going to be negative. You have to say to yourself, what is negative 3 times negative 4? It's positive 12. This equals 15. Opposite of plus 12 is minus 12. So minus 3x equals 3. Here, this is a times. Oops, I'll use a different color. This is a time, so let's divide it. X equals 3 over negative 3. X equals negative 1. And that is the correct answer. Just to quickly, another way that you could do it here. Some people do this. They expand here, they say, well, minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 4 is positive 12, and then they'll go back and put the numbers in like this. Okay, remember this 5 out the front has no impact on the expansion. You only times the brackets by the term right out the front in the negative 3. So then here, 5 plus 12 on just this side is 17. 17 minus 3x equals 20. Take the 17 over there, you'll have minus 3x equals 20 minus 17. 20 minus 17 is 3, and look, we're back here. Okay, so I think this first way over this way is better because you move that term over straight away and you're not tempted to use that in the expansion of our brackets. You can still do it this way, however, like I said, you're risking using the 5 to expand. And hey, no matter what way you do it, you can always check your answer before the teacher even looks at it by subbing x equals negative 1 all the way back up in here. Put that in your calculator with negative 1 there. Does it equal 20? Yes, it does. You've got it right. That's it for this video. Well done.